What's up, family? Welcome back to Truthville, USA. I am Q. Newsflash. I'm going to tell you something I guarantee you didn't know. Fani Willis is inept, and Fani Willis is incapable of running a organization that is productive. I'm sure you would have never known that, so I'm going to give you that breaking news. So yesterday, a judge threatened one of Fani Willis's lead prosecutors with jail time, warned Fani Willis that he was going to start locking up some of her prosecutors because they are being disrespectful in his court. They are violating the rules of decorum in the court. This lady actually went so far as yelling at the judge. When the judge asked her to take a seat, she refused to sit down and began yelling at the judge. Why? Well, she is actually trying a RICO case. I mean, how many RICO cases can you have in one county? Really? So against a young guy by the name of Young Thug. He's a rapper. I don't know much about the guy. They say that he was associated with the Blood street gang. I don't know if that's the case or not. He's innocent until proven guilty. And I don't know. I find myself, strangely enough, rooting for the guy if Fani Willis doesn't like him. And I know that sounds terrible. I know it does. And I hope that I'm not right in this, because I don't like the idea of people being wrongfully accused. And he might be guilty, and if he is, he needs to pay for his crimes. But they wanted to, at the last minute, introduce evidence into the court without the opportunity for the defense to actually see it. They wanted to quick hurry up and sneak this in, and the judge said no. Said, had you been prepared, had you done this on time, then I would have allowed it. But you've waited until the 11th hour, and I'm not going to allow it. She lost it. She went off on the judge for not allowing her to bring her key evidence. Well, this is all lawfare, right? We saw them do this to Donald Trump. We saw them do this to his co-defendants. This is what they do. They try to bring some trumped up evidence, and they try to present it last minute. And this can't be allowed. We have rules in court for a reason. If you can't have your case buttoned up, then you don't deserve to bring it. The people are paying you to take care of these types of things. You have one job. And rather than actually accepting her defeat, she stood up and yelled at the judge. Now, none of us could ever do that, but I'm so thankful that the judge stood his ground and told her that she was on thin ice and that she would be in jail, and then went on to let Fani Willis know, your people are going to land in jail. I'm not going to tolerate this type of behavior. But why wouldn't they? They watched their boss, they watched their fearless leader get up there and yell and completely humiliate the office, humiliate the county, humiliate the city of Atlanta, and humiliate the state of Georgia while she was lying on under oath on the witness stand. We saw it on full display. We saw her attempting to justify her adulterous behavior, and then justify it furthermore with lies. So why would they have any respect for the court of law? You guys created this monster. And what is she supposed to do? Tell them to mind their P's and Q's while in court? She has no moral authority to do this. I hope that this judge puts all of them in jail, because every last one of them has violated the law. Every last one of them has violated their oath, which is to uphold the Constitution and to serve justice. And justice has not been served by any of these people, as far as I'm concerned. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Be blessed.